first itself, right? Functions, then matrices, addition of vectors, product of vectors, trigonometry up to transformation also I did 2 mark. Suppose by and hyperbolic functions. Let us do hyperbolic for today, and with that your all 2 marks also has been covered, and 4 marks we did matrices, addition of vectors, product of vectors I did 4 mark, right? Inverse trigonometry yesterday we did, right? Trigonometry up to transformation also day before yesterday I did, and properties of triangle also before that. Is it clear? This 4 marks also has been done. See, very important 4 marks, exam point of view it has been done, and long answers anyway, everything has been done, all the chapters except this transformations. Yeah, trigonometry up to transformations you live in choice, still you will be having 6, out of which you are going to do 5. Here passing and improving your marks is important. Is it clear? Right, let us see few hyperbolic functions today. Yeah, most important in 2 mark hyperbolic, and easily you can do this question also, that is sin hx is equal to by 4. Sin hx is equal to 3 by 4. Then find cos h of 2x and the sin h of 2x. Sin hx is 3 by 4. Then find cos h of 2x and sin h of 2x. Is it clear? What is given? Sin hx is 3 by 4. Now we know that cos h square x minus sin h square x is 1, and cos h square x is equal to 1 plus sin h square x. Cos h square x is equal to 1 plus sin h square x. This is a formula. Is it clear, everybody? This is your formula. In hyperbolic, cos h square x minus sin h square x is 1. So cos h square x is 1 plus sin h square x. Correct? Then cos h square x equal to 1 plus 3 by 4 whole square. Then cos h square x is 1 plus 9 by 16, 25 by 16. Then cos hx hx will be 5 by 4. Is it clear? Now I got cos hx. What is asking? Cos h of 2x is asking. Now first bit, cos h of 2x in terms of formula, that is cos h square x plus sin h square x, that is equal to cos h square x. Cos hx is 5 by 4 whole square plus sin hx 3 by 4 whole square. Correct? No? Now simplify this, you will get your required answer, that is 25 by 16 plus, that is how much? 34 by 16. 34 by 16, that is cos h of 2x. Cos h of 2x will be 17 by 8. Okay. Next, what is asking? Second bit. Sin h of 2x is 2 sin hx cos hx. That is 2 into sin hx 3 by 4 cos hx 5 by 4. That is how much? positive quantity, but sin hx can be a negative quantity. That's why when I remove the square, I took plus or minus. Is it clear? For cos hx, don't take plus or minus when you remove the square. But for sin hx, you are going to remove the square for sin hx. Then you are right plus or minus. But for cos hx, don't write plus or minus because cos hx is always a positive quantity. Is it clear? Third one, prove that asked. These are your hyperbolic functions. Is it clear? Let us do few trigonometric up to transformation 2 marks. Yesterday we did few. Today also we'll go for some few more questions. Is it clear? Right. Trigonometry up to trigonometry up to transformation. Let us do few 2 marks. Yesterday we did few 4 marks. Again I added to 2 marks also. But few more 2 marks are there. Okay, let us see how much you can do it, and that is how you can finish off the things, right? So once again I am stating that first functions chapter 2 mark and 7 mark has been done. Next mathematical induction we did 1 7 mark. Then matrices 2 mark, 1 4 mark and 2 7 marks. This also has been done. Next addition of vectors, correct? The addition of vectors also 2 mark and 4 mark has been done, right? 2 2 mark, yes. Next product of vectors, right? That is 2 4 and 7. Then in transformation 7 I said to go for choice, right? In transformation, and then 2 and 4 has been done. Today we look 2 marks and 2 4 marks. 2 4 marks has been given. 4 marks. 4 marks has been given. And in 2 days before we did 4 marks questions of trigonometry up to transformations. Is it clear? Few important 4 marks. Now this should be the questions it was asked in previous exams. Okay, now find the value of sin 330 cos 120 plus cos 210 sin 300. It is asking us to find the value of sin 330 cos 120 sin 330 cos 120 plus cos 210 sin 300. What is given? Sin 330 cos 120 plus cos 210 sin 300. Sin 330 I will write it as 360 minus 30. Cos 120 I will write it as 90 plus 30. Cos 210 degrees expressed in terms of quadrant angles. Okay, 180 plus 30 into sin 300 270 plus 30. See, everything I taught in terms of 30 only. Is it clear? Now sin 360 minus theta minus sin theta cos 90 plus theta minus sin theta cos 180 plus theta minus cos theta sin 270 plus theta minus sin cos 180 sin 270 plus theta it is entering into fourth quadrant minus cos 30. So minus into minus plus, this is sin square 30 and minus into minus plus cos square 30. Now what we know, sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. What do you know is the theta value? So that is 1. Sin square 30 plus cos square 30, it is 1. Is it clear? Next, find the period of the function. Find the period of the function f of x equal to cos of 3x plus 5 plus 7. F of x equal to cos of, now basic, so what is that given function? Given function f of x is equal to cos of 3x plus 5 plus 7. Now we know that period of cos of ax plus b. We know that period of cos of ax plus b is 2 pi by mod n. So in this case, what is your, so your f of x is cos of 3x plus 5 plus 7 is 2 pi by 2 pi by mod 3. That is 2 pi by 3. The period depends upon only x coefficient. It does not depends upon the constants. Is it clear? Next, find the period of f of x is equal Okay, so the period of tan 5x is pi by 5. Next, find the this was asked so many times. Find the period of tan of x plus 4x plus 9x plus dot dot plus n square x. Find the period of tan of x plus 4x plus 9x. This is 9x plus dot dot plus n square x. Clear? Given f of x is tan of x plus 4x plus 9x plus dot dot n square x. Here f of x is tan of 1 plus 4 plus 9 plus dot dot n square x. I took x common. That is nothing but tan of, it is 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus 1 plus n square of x. That is f of x equal to tan of sum of the squares of first 10 natural numbers, n into n plus 1 to n plus 1 by 6x. Is it clear? N into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6 into x. So we know that period of tan, period of tan ax plus b is pi by mod. Therefore, period of tan n into n plus 1 to n plus 1 by 6x is what? Is pi by pi by mod a. A is this much. A is nothing but your x coefficient. N into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. 6 pi by n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1. Is it clear? So this is your find the sine function. Find the sine function whose period is. Find the sine function whose period is 2 by 3. Find the sine function whose period is 2 by 3. Now we know that period of sine of ax plus b is 2 pi by mod. Therefore, 2 pi by mod A is given as 2 by 2. 2 gets cancelled. Mod A is 3 pi. A equal to plus or minus 3 pi. Therefore the sine function is sine of plus or minus 3 pi by x. Is it clear? Sine of plus or minus 3 pi by x. Okay. Let's find the cosine function. Find the cosine function whose period is 7. Now we know that period of cos is 2 pi by mod A. Right now, therefore 2 pi by mod A equal to 7. Mod A equal to 2 pi by 7. A equal to plus or minus 2 pi by 7. Therefore, the cosine function is cos of plus or minus 2 pi by 7. Cos is an even function, no? So that I can write it as plus or minus. Cos of plus theta is cos theta only. Cos of minus theta is also cos theta only. Is it clear? Next, if tan 20 is equal to lambda, then show that tan 160 minus tan 110 divided by 1 plus tan 160 by 2 lambda. This is what we have to show. Is it clear? Now, see the solution. Given tan 20 is lambda, then cot 20 reciprocal, what it becomes? 1 by lambda. If tan 20 is lambda, then cot 20 will be 1 by lambda, it's reciprocal. Now take LHS part, tan 160 minus tan 110 divided by 1 plus tan 160 into tan 110. Tan 160 I will write it as 180 minus 20. Express in terms of 20 because tan 20 we know. Minus tan 90 plus 20 divided by 1 plus tan 180 minus 20 into tan 90 plus 20. Is it clear? Tan 180 minus theta is minus tan 20. Tan 90 plus theta is minus cot 20 divided by 1 plus minus tan 20, same, minus cot 20. Right now, but cot and tan are reciprocal to each other. So tan gets cancelled, minus into minus, it becomes plus. So clear? Right. So that is nothing but that is minus lambda square plus 1 by 2 lambda. 1 minus lambda square by 2 lambda. 1 minus lambda square by 2 lambda. Is it clear? Right. With this we'll stop here, and tomorrow more few 2 marks are there that we'll see tomorrow. Is it clear?